In this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can actually make money from this platform. This is a trading platform which you can use to make money for yourself. If you are still looking for how to make money online in Nigeria, this is going to be the best video you will ever watch this month. With this particular platform, you can make up to 1.50% to 2.50% return on investment every single day. And the most interesting part of this is that AI is going to help you to trade on this platform, right? You are not going to do the trading by yourself. AI is going to trade for you and you will automatically get your daily profit every single day. So I'm going to show you how to register on this platform and how to turn on that AI trading bot to start trading for you. So for you to register on this trading platform and allow AI bots to trade for you and give you daily interest, click the first link in the video description and it is going to take you directly to this page. So once you come to this page, you start creating your account. Enter your username here, enter your email address right here. Then you select your country, enter your password you are going to be using to log into your account. So after entering your password, just scroll down, check this box right here. Once you take this box, you click create account. Once you click create account, they are going to send you a confirmation email to your email address. All you need to do is to go to your email address and open their email, click the verification link to verify your email, right? So once you click the verification link and verify your email, they are going to bring you back to their website and then you can now log into your account. So I am going to log into my account right now and show you how to deposit on this platform and how to give AI trading bot access to trade for you and give you daily interest, right? So once you log into your account, you are going to see a deposit button right here. So click on this deposit button and it is going to take you to your deposit page where you are going to deposit your trading capital. So the minimum you can deposit on this platform is $10, right? So I will click on deposits. So once you come here, enter the amount you want to deposit. Like I told you, the minimum you can deposit is $10, right? So enter the amount you want to deposit. Then you click select time frame. Once you click this drop down, you can select 13 weeks, right? Select 13 weeks. This is what I actually like to select, 13 weeks. So once you select it, once you select 13 weeks, now you can see activate trading bot. You can see activate trading bot, and this trading bot will only cost you $1.50, right? Just $1.50. And this trading bot is going to start trading for you and it is going to be giving you daily interest every single day, 1.50 to 2.50 interest every single day. So all you need here is to click here to activate this bot right here. Once you click it, then you proceed, you click on proceed here, click on proceed to make your payments, right? Remember, the higher you deposit, the higher your interest every single day. So it depends on how much capital you want to use to trade for yourself, right? So this is basically how to register on this platform and how to activate your own trading bot to start trading for you, right? So once you deposit your trading capital, the trading bot is going to take over and start trading for you and it's going to be giving you your daily returns. So let me show you how you can withdraw your money on this platform. For you to make a withdrawal on this platform, as you can see, withdraw right here. Once you click on withdraw, from there you can be able to withdraw your earnings, your daily profit, and you can withdraw every single day. And the most interesting part of this is that you can also withdraw your capital anytime you want, right? They don't hold your capital. You can decide to withdraw your capital anytime you want. So this is a good trading application you can try today if you really want to make money online for yourself. This particular trading application has been paying people for a very long time now, right? And this is a very good opportunity for you to join right now and start making money for yourself. If you want to get more updates on how to make money online in Nigeria, I highly encourage you to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube.